Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ratio problems. In these types of problems, two or more people share a particular quantity in a given ratio. If we know the amount that one person receives, we can work out what the other people receive. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. Tom and Jack share some money in the ratio 4:5. If Tom gets $24, what is Jack's share? So Tom is to Jack is 4:5. The order is important. So Tom, who's mentioned first, receives 4 shares. Therefore 4 shares equal $24. Therefore 1 share equals $6. We know that Jack receives 5 shares because it's 4:5. Therefore Jack's share will be $6 times 5, which is $30. Number 2. Sid, Paul and Ted share marbles in the ratio 2:3:5. If Sid gets 16 marbles, how many marbles do Paul and Ted receive? So Sid receives 2 shares. He's mentioned first, and the 2 is first. So 2 shares are 16 marbles. Therefore 1 share is 8 marbles. Therefore Paul receives 3 shares. 3 eighths are 24. So Paul's share is 24 marbles. Ted receives 5 shares. 5 eighths are 40. So Ted receives 40 marbles. Sue and Mary buy $5,000 worth of shares. Sue puts in $1,500 and Mary puts in $3,500 to buy the shares. After 3 months, Mary receives $280 in dividends. If the dividend is divided in the ratio of the initial investment, how much does Sue get? So for the initial investment, Sue is to Mary is $1,500 to $3,500. That's 3:7. So 7 parts is $280 because we're told that Mary receives $280. So 7 parts is $280. Therefore 1 part must be $40. So 3 parts is $120. So with respect to the dividends, Mary's share is $280, which she's already received, and we can work out Sue's share, $120, based on the amount of money she put in initially. Number 4. Tom, Anna, Ted and Faye share some money in the ratio 2:3:5:7. If Anna receives $180, how much money do the other 3 get? So 3 shares. See, is Anna. Anna is mentioned second, so she gets 3 shares. So 3 shares is $180. That's Anna's share. Therefore 1 share must be 60. Therefore 2 shares is 2 times 60, which is 120. That's Tom's share. 5 shares is 5 times $60, which is $300, and that's Ted's share, because Ted is third and the 5 is third. And 7 shares is 7 times $60, which is $420, and that's Faye's share. So this has been an interesting video where we've solved some problems to do with ratio, and if a certain amount is divided into a particular ratio, if we know how much one person receives, we can work out what all the other people receive.